In this video I will talk more about some molecular geometry shapes or structures. So the first shape with us here is T-shaped. T-shape. So what is a T-shape? First let's have an atom in the center and let's call it by A, and this atom is attached with three another atoms. It's called X, 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 and this atom has two lone pairs. Alright, so a good example of this atom of this structure is iodine trifluorine, IF3. So let's just draw the iodine atom in the center and fluorine, 3-fluorine. As we know, iodine has 7 valence electrons, so if it used 3 of them, so it will left 4. 4 electrons it means 2 lone pairs. So finally this is a T shape. Another shape is octahedral shape. So octahedral shape or structure. So let's have an example. If we have an atom in the center called by X, this atom is surrounded by 3 atoms. So let's just have 3 atoms like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And let's just fill it by X, 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 X. So the angle bond of this shape is 90 degrees. So this is a 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. And this is a 90 degrees also. The angle between this is this. Alright. So a good example for this is sulfur hexafluoride. So sulfur hexafluoride. So what it looks like. Sulfur is in the center. Then we have 6 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And fluorine with every side, every bond. So this structure is an octahedral structure. Why don't we have a lone pair here? Because sulfur has 6 valence electrons, and if he used all of them, so nothing will be left. So sulfur will not have any lone pair. Another structure is called by square pyramidal structure. So this structure look like this. It is like an octahedral structure, but instead of 6 atoms surrounded by the center atom, now we will have only 5 atoms and 1 lone pair. So look at this shape. We have an A in the center, and we will have like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a one lone bond. Alright? So these bonds are attached with an X, 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 X. So this is a square pyramidal structure. And a good example of this is iodine pentafluoride. Iodine pentafluoride. So let me just draw the center atom, which is iodine, and then we have 5 fluorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fluorine. And as we know, iodine has 7 valence electrons, and he used 5 of them, so it will left only 2 electrons, which is a one lone pair. So this is a square pyramidal structure. Another shape is look like this. Another shape is square planar shape or structure. Square planar structure. This structure has only is surrounded only by 4 atoms, not 5, not 6. No, it's surrounded by 4 atoms, and the center atom has 2 lone pairs instead of 1 lone pair. So let's just write the center atom, which is A, then 4 atoms surrounded by it, X, 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 and X, and 2 lone pairs like this. So this is a square planar structure, and a good example of this is xenon tetrafluoride. So this is xenon tetrafluoride. So let me just write xenon in the middle, then 4 atoms attached to it, fluorine, 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 and fluorine. As we know, xenon has an 8 valence electron, so if it used 4 of them, it will left only 4 electrons, which are 2 lone pairs. So this is a square planar structure, and that's it.